DJM TV.
Yes, my people, good evening. About Obaseki. I am back again. They are the EPM rascals, EPM vandals, EPM looters. They are mobilizing to Ojemai farms tomorrow. The vandals, the EPM looters, they are the ones coordinating different WhatsApp groups to attack people's houses, to try to destroy people's houses, to loot government and private properties. I just got this audio this evening, and please, I want everybody to circulate this. We cannot continue to encourage vandals. We cannot continue to encourage people to steal what doesn't belong to them. Please, this is a WhatsApp group. I don't know. I'm sure the security agencies will be able to trace the direct number, the number that released this audio. They are mobilizing to Ojemai farms tomorrow to loot. I don't know if the farm is still in operation. I don't know if they have a food bank, food warehouse there. But these criminals, they are looking for everything to tarnish the image of Edo State government and create security tension everywhere. When you send people to loot in a particular area, they don't only loot the warehouse, they also rob and loot people around there. That is what happened at Medica yesterday. After they finished picking the Indomie that wasn't even up to 2,000 packs, they started removing ACs from war, started destroying and looting things. That is what they are planning to do tomorrow. So please share this video. If you live around Ekenwa Road, if you not see anybody for there, say they come gather, they want to loot the place. They are criminals. They are not protesters. They are criminals. They are not protesters. So protesters, NSAS protesters don't enter house. Anybody you see now gathering anywhere to loot any government or private properties, warehouse, they are criminals. They are criminals. EPM people, they don't want inauguration to hold in this state. Their whole meeting recently for one hotel for GRA, their plan is for them to continue to create tension. People like them, Ashama, Emilio Boy, Eunice Dauda, Baron Mike, and Doc and the rest. Now them, they want to continue. They want the protest to continue so that hoodlums we have a free day to loot and create insecurity in the state. Please don't join them. Please don't join them. We know how many votes we take defeat them. We know what we use their eyes see. It is too early to betray the government that you labored for. It is too early for you to start working against or saying ill things against the government that we all labored for. So please, if you live around Ekenwa Road, if you see anybody close, if you see anybody close to Ojemai farms, I don't know whether the farms they operate, but somebody just forwarded this audio to me. If you are in a WhatsApp group and you hear, if you are in a WhatsApp group and you hear that they are mobilizing to any warehouse, or they are mobilizing to any politician's house, they are only coming there to loot. They are going there to loot, to steal, to create problem. They are not looking for palliative, but they hide behind palliative to steal. They are armed robbers, they are looters, they are criminals. Please, Ekenwa Road, make una not let them destroy that place. Ojemai farm don't help people for there, don't create farm for there. I don't even know. What they are not saying now is that they are trying to tie the farm to Governor Obaseki. They are trying to tie the farm to Edo State government. Please, we are begging. Hunger dey the land. Not me say, maybe they encourage people to go to destroy people's properties, to go to steal. I said, let me just come online this evening to allow the public. If you see anybody try to break any private warehouse or to attack any politician's house in your area, they are criminals. Make una resist them. Make una resist them. NSAS protesters don't enter house. They have released their hoodlums. They have released their hoodlums to create, to cause problem because they don't want anarchy. They don't want Edo State to move forward. They don't want the governor to develop, to give us the development that he promised us during the campaign. That's why they are trying to create tension. They are frustrated, and let everybody, and those all over the world, we all need to come together and speak in one voice to resist these evil forces. Thank you very much. Please let me play this audio.
Agree the asshole. Get one update where I see here for we could see that Ojimasu now whereas see Obaseki don't bad out Ojimasu where see the load things for that place. They load many things for that place. See that Ojimana whereas now not knowing that any Ojimana motor no dey go there before. If that as the road gets so the man don't fire go take pass the road small may go the motor for the palm. Not necessarily they don't sell and give Obaseki and the place now warehouse food stuff everything all day inside there. Greedy ass.
You see, this is what they are doing now. This is what they are doing now. They just like now say they don't sell them, so they don't sell the old Benin give Obaseki. So now Obaseki they buy everywhere now for Benin. That is what they are using now. They will replace. Government don't put warehouse for there. My people, let me tell you, and I will continue to repeat. The only warehouse when I know for Edo South was Testami Road. The reason they don't see food, they can't begin to loot Igbo man. I never. Now let God know where Igbo man for go carry loan where they do his business. Now let God know where Igbo man for go carry loan when they do business, when they go loot the man places, they frustrate the man sit down for ground, they cry, and then very sure say many of them watch the activity report. If they go there tomorrow now, they don't mobilize the whole world, mobilize all these hoodlums. Go there now. They'll come say, I bless you not be Obaseki there here, but we don't come. They will start looting and robbing people around that area. So please, Edo people, share this video. Make could not allow them. Now these EPA people now they want to create crisis for everywhere. They don't want make people they work again. They don't want make governor lift this curfew. They want to make curfew day so that they don't feel do inauguration. Their plan is to sustain this crisis from now till November 12, so that inauguration will hold. So let's continue to pray for Edo to move forward. Let's continue to pray for God to frustrate all these evil men trying to create problem in this state. Thank you.
Edo must move forward. Move forward. Backward never. No comfortability. Move forward. Backward never. Forward ever. Backward never. Obaseki na the man. We know. Forward ever. Backward never. Shaibu self na the man. We know.
Edo must move forward. Move forward.
Backward never. No comfortability. Move forward. Backward never. Forward ever. Backward never. Obaseki na the man. We know. Shaibu self na the man. We know.
Edo must move forward. Move forward. Backward never. No Godfather reason. Move forward. Backward never.
They call me from
More than 1 year, Emayak Bina to end Godfatherism for this Edo state. More than 1 year, Emayak Bina for Edo to move forward. I know how many of you when they diaspora, how much you have send. I know how many t-shirt, cap, apron, umbrella I want to buy for Edo to move forward. Obaseki not hold palliative. That palliative, the few indomie when they carry go there now from COVID. Now from COVID today, now I see things for myself. Edo State government warehouse na Testami Road, and the warehouse for Edo Central where food not dey, food don't finish, and warehouse for Edo North. That place today, they all use WhatsApp mobilize people go carry the few food where they there. As they carry and finish, they come begin to vandalize drugs. So all of them don't work. It is too early for una to turn una back against Obaseki because they want use una head now. Not be only Edo they for loot warehouse. Why be that now only Edo City hot to mobilize protest for tomorrow so that there will be crisis in the state. But a time is coming. If una think say now only una they feel mobilized, they go streets. Una go know so that they learn. Una go know so that they learn. After they mobilize, we will fall out. We will engage una. Make una not spoil this state for Oba hand. Make una not spoil this state for governor hand. So my Edo people, the governor want to support. Make una push am. Was West inauguration. What the governor win inauguration. They don't want people to come from Abuja. They don't want investors to come from Lagos that are coming to invest here. That's why they are trying to create security tension. Inauguration. So my people, make una stand by una brother. Make una stand by una brother. Make una stand by Obaseki. Yesterday, I used the old day to apologize to now. Today, I know what in my eyes see. I walk around the old building. I don't see where carton of Indomie drop. Now neighbors when they call they tell me say food. You get one man when they back on that and a popular man. I don't want to mention his name. Now he can't call me this evening. They tell me say about it. I know I remember saying Europa last month in Yamueri. Yama holiday. I have different hospitals. I have he said that area, that area they for Bona, he never see food there. It be like food where they bring when they go chef for hospitals or where they treat people or where any mabu. Now first the boss enter the Obaseki, the governor, His Excellency Governor, no Obaseki, he no hot palliative. If they want hot palliative, not be there. Now the warehouse, Eribo warehouse for test time road and there. Now there. So my people, Obaseki was swearing winning, they was swearful. Was swearful near swearing. Was swearful near swearing, the man means where. Was swearful. Man, one month can be 3 with near our business. Yeah, propaganda with government in area. Yeah, propaganda, yeah, with government in area. They want to use like this point this government. So my people, make una stand by Obaseki. See, if you know say you still there with Obaseki, just the type Obaseki. Just the type Obaseki. I stand with Obaseki. I stand with Obaseki. Just be typing it. Just be typing it. Obaseki. 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 Inauguration. I stand with GGO. I stand with GGO. I stand with GGO. I stand with Obaseki. Inauguration. November 12. Inauguration. 4+4. Ogbane. 4+4. Ogbane. 4+4. Ogbane. 4+4. Ogbane. Obaseki. I stand with GGO. I go against hoodlums. I go against EPM rascals. I go against evil people trying to create problem in our state. Obaseki, Edo must move forward. All the people supporting governor on social media, I'm going to activate to. The information I get not be small.
Edo must move forward. Move forward. Backward never.
DJM TV.
Move forward. Backward never.
DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars View, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, EDO TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.